What? Is it? I got it. Do you know what city we're in? Or what city are we in? What was that? Do you know what city we're in? Alright, what city are we in? Did they ask us? Do you know what city we're in?
It says CP said they didn't let her in.
What's going on? You were passed out right now.
Does that have a name?
That's why when I read the call and I told my dad, that's why.
Alameda, we saw that earlier at that's right.
Herrera Spencer? Does it have a date of birth on there or not?
You're in Long Beach? Alright, like I said, you're not in any trouble. Some people were concerned about you. We just want to make sure you're okay. You were passed out here.
Visiting?
I cannot hear it.
Southgate? Do you have a hotel or something over here? Do you have a hotel or are you visiting? You're not a visitor? So we're trying to see maybe if do you have a car over here? You don't need a car? Do you have one though?
This is your bag, right? I put your cell phone in here, okay? I put your phone in there because it was on the floor.
Just have a date of birth on there. Trish Herrera. Yeah, we got that.
Trish.
It's Trish. Trish? Oh, I'm sorry, Trish. Hey, Trish.
I'll go runner. And then.
Trisha, how old are you? How old are you? Do you know your birthday?
We're just trying to help you. You're not in any trouble.
You're not in any trouble at all.
We're trying to make sure you get home safe, okay?
What?
She's not providing a date of birth on. I'll go try to see it and run her. Give me, sir.
much fish is like 50?
Yeah, I tried 50 if you want to. But it's Trish, right? It was Trish?
Yeah, not Trish. Trish Herrera, something.
Yeah, we'll see.
I think they're gonna take Trish.
Yeah.
Trish or Trish?
Who's Trish? On the call said Trisha, but her name tag says Trish.
How you gonna do that? It's probably smart.
Gonna give date of birth to the fire department.
Who's trying to cover?
Yeah, because she was definitely above 50, right? I feel like.
I don't know how old usually most council members are, but
Yeah.
I don't think they're. I think you have to be a certain age to like the print type of thing.
Yeah.
79, 75, that's what it says. What was her name?
Trish? Trish Spencer Herrera or Herrera Spencer? Could be. Unless I like responded wrong and
I have no idea.
or she just
Nickname? I don't know anybody.
I never met anybody close.
Every Patricia I know, they call it Patty. Yeah. Well, let's see what they do.
Yeah.
You guys took the day off. I could have been you in there.
Alright, sir.
So this
Here's
is
she got a place. But, so, Trisha Herrera Spencer, the guy, the bouncer said that the
But they, like,
bystanders
fell
were
really
walking her,
hard?
said that she was staying at the Hyatt, that's not for sure. So the guy was trying to walk her there to help her, and then she just like knocked out. So Alameda, Trisha Herrera Spencer,
County of Alameda?
that's what it says on her badge.
All right, this is city council.
Council member.
Council member.
Did you say her name was Trish? Because on the badge it said Trish.
I thought it said Trisha.
It says Trish
It
on
says
the back.
Trish on the badge.
That's Trisha Spencer hyphen Herrera.
Herrera Spencer.
Herrera Spencer.
Yes.
We want to be in a
Trish or no?
She's unresponsive.
And I didn't. She has a purse, but I didn't go through or anything like that.
Yeah, it's could be the same. Either or.
All right.
Good. Or?
Um,